Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. You are still with me, Nur Hamdia. I will accompany to listen to some of the latest news on this sunny morning. The first is flood. As of Sunday night, the city of Jakarta was still inundated by floods due to heavy rains. The water level is at 80 centimeters. Tens of motorbikes had their engines shut off due to their recklessness in passing through puddles of water. The transportation agency officers were forced to defer their vehicles. Similar to Street Kelapa Gading, North Jakarta, the water level reaches 70 centimeters. Some motorists are forced to use the offside road to avoid flooding. Faisal, the driver, said that this morning there have been 3 strikes here. It's always flooded here. Some residents fled to a safe place while some other residents stayed on the top floor of their houses since the beginning of 2020. This over 1 meter high flood has occurred 3 times. UNITA, a flood victim, said that it has rained 3 times since the new year. And that was the news for this morning. I'm Nurhandia. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.